Hi everyone, welcome to the week 3 online assembly. We're standing in the new office. We've got great news that hopefully by next Wednesday we'll be fully open. So again, you're seeing a view of just a little snapshot of what the office looks like, and of course it'll mainly be finished by next Wednesday. So please come in and direct your inquiries to this part of the school. The great thing is you can come in via Jones Avenue. It's the first time we've actually had access to the street, so we think that's really exciting. There's still a few things to come, a bit of landscaping out the front and signage, but again, we're really excited to move out of the Resource Centre and be back in here by next Wednesday. And then the good news is the Resource Centre will be put back together and it will be available for everyone to use. I hope you enjoy today's assembly. We've got lots of little snippets of action and learning around the school. And thank you for catching up with me in the yard. I'm loving having those chats with students and families. Okay, see you around.
Hi everybody, it's been really good seeing everybody back in the classrooms. I've really enjoyed coming to visit. This week I've seen students using their writing to goal set. I've seen learning intentions and success criteria, and we need to thank Janet for setting up the outside library so that you can borrow. Next up is some students from 9J talking about learning intentions and success criteria.
Our quick writes learning intentions are to improve our narrative writing and to identify successful parts of a story.
As a group, we came up with success criteria like the characters and the setting, the punctuation like full stops and capital letters, and the 7 steps are sizzling, starts and bend the boring.
We looked at some of these photos for our quick writes. This was my favourite one.
When visiting the classes, I've seen reading comprehension posters, 7 steps posters, and I've seen bumping up walls ready to help you improve your learning. I look forward to seeing what you're doing in literacy next week. See ya.
It's been a great start to the term. So students have been working together with their teachers to set up class expectations and building relationships with their classmates. I visited a few classes this week and saw lots of students setting their numeracy goals. The students in 24A were discussing smarter goals and have been setting their smarter goals around literacy and numeracy, and they're looking forward to sharing these with you at Assembly today.
Hi, I'm Kaya.
And I'm Thomas, and we're here to do a junior primary and an upper primary nude fruit ruffle. Here goes.
Drum roll, please.
Asmin 12J.
Yay! And we'll have another drum roll for the other one.
Erin 7W.
7W. Erin from 7W. Well done, guys. Congratulations. We'll get the prizes to them soon.
This week we have been working towards creating our literacy and numeracy goals. We have been learning about SMART goals and how to make them.
SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and timed. Literacy SMART goal is to write a persuasive text using all correct features. I will do this by using 7 steps and a writing checklist. I will know I have achieved my goal by checking and comparing my bright path, writing samples and the beginning and the end of 5 weeks.
My numeracy goal is to get better at problem solving when using division. The steps to reach my goal is to practice division problems and review any I get wrong. I will know I have achieved my goal when I get 3/4 of them right 3 times in a row by the end of 5 weeks.
My numeracy SMART goal is to correctly put fractions into percentages. I will achieve this by practicing for at least 5 minutes every day. I will know I have achieved my goal by having weekly testing and getting 90% or more correct 3 times or more by the 21st of March 2022.
My literacy goal is to write neater and get my pen license. I will achieve this by slowing down and concentrating when I write. I will also practice during English lessons
I will achieve my goal when I get my pen license. Thank you for letting us share some of our SMART goals. Good luck with developing some of your own SMART goals this week.